Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, December 26th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold, since this bullish reversal candle that we talked about and the increasing bull volume of bulls coming in to enter gold, has been on a nice run and keeps saying that the daily, every single daily candle has set a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So you'll know at least some short-term consolidation is going to be in the future when the daily fails to set a higher high. And what I would look for is see how long we're going to consolidate. If we set a lower high here, then we'll have the low of a daily consolidation candle. And if we break the low of a candle, that means we'll set a lower low on a daily candle finally, and we could be in for a little bit further consolidation. But any consolidation at this point would be healthy for the bulls on the daily. The weekly, we have a big test coming up if we get there. And again, the weekly, clearly, you can see that we're setting lower highs here. Lower high on the bounce, another lower high on the bounce. And so to break this trend on the weekly, we're going to have to break this 1301.30 area. So 1301.30 is going to be that key that we'll be watching here. We're getting close to that 20 MA back test on the weekly, which is at 1290.10. So we'll see if we're able to break 1300 and then get this 1301.30 break. And if we do get a break on the daily above 1300, I'd like to see a daily close above 1300. As I said last time, when bulls did break 1300, they never got a daily close above 1300, and I think that really gave some confidence to the bears that they could step in and push gold down some. So that's going to be a big level. Before that weekly resistance, the next resistance I'm going to be watching on the daily is this long upper wick here on the daily here, and that is currently at 1292.50. So first signal that we could be in for at least some short-term consolidation is going to be a lower high on the daily. Further consolidation if we set a lower low on any daily candle. So let's say today, this current daily candle that's forming fails to break above 1288.40, 1288.40, and we set a lower high on the daily. And then whatever the low of this candle is, if we break below that low, then that would be another signal that we are going to consolidate further. See that the volume is continuing to decline here. So you definitely don't want to see a big red bear candle with increasing bear volume here that's significantly increasing. Could show that a trend change is coming. But bulls still in control as long as higher highs on the daily are being set. And we're getting close to the upper Bollinger Band, which is at 1294.60 as it continues to descend here. As far as the miners go, GDX, obviously following gold, had a nice green candle, consolidated here within a range, and then really broke out on the daily and continuing, and closed above the upper Bollinger Band here on this daily candle here. The weekly on GDX, see, high here was 23.17. We did break to a higher high on the weekly on GDX. So we'll see if this gives us a push for the bulls to step in. You could draw a weekly downtrend line. I actually don't. Yeah, I wouldn't even use that downtrend line. But you could clearly see that at the bottom we had some bull volume here, increasing bull volume, and setting a higher high on the weekly. The next longer term resistance is going to be this high here of 23.99. Junior miners stronger than the senior miners here, because after go to the daily, after that big green candle didn't consolidate in range as long as the senior miners did, and you can see that bull stepped in pretty quickly, and once we broke the high of this big green candle here of 31.87, bulls continue to push it. And you got to like the fact that that there's still bull volume coming in. So we got some increasing bull volume here on the junior miners. I'm looking at the US dollar here on the daily, and again, potential for a longer term head and shoulder pattern here on the daily to be watching. And I'm going to be watching the support here of 93.16.3, the low of that candle there, the low of the last pullback. And you can clearly see on the daily, right now we're in a pattern of after this high, lower high, we have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high so far. And bears are going to be in a lot of trouble if they're unable to hold this low at 92.496, in my opinion, on this US dollar and really give some push for the gold bulls. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.